Hey everyone, my name is Natalie, and I'm one of the senior product managers here at Trainual. We have an awesome update regarding our following section on the homepage that I wanted to talk everyone through today. So previously, only admins and group managers had the capability to follow users directly from their homepage using the following section. We'd received many requests from different users asking that we add the capability for any user in their organization with direct reports to also follow users via the following section on their homepage, regardless of their permission level. So, by popular request, we now have extended the functionality of our following section so that any user in your organization, regardless of their permission level, if they have direct reports, they will now be able to utilize the following section on their homepage. But it doesn't just end there. So, in addition to this update, not only can admins, group managers, and now users with direct reports follow their users from their homepage, but this is automatically handled for you. What do I mean? So I'm going to walk through a few different use cases for admins, group managers, and then a general user who has direct reports and show you what this will look like for them. So coming over here, you can see that I am an admin. I'm going to click into my profile. This is Natalie. She's the CEO. It's me. And you can see here that I actually have two direct reports, Gretel and Joe. When I navigate to my home page, I will see that they are now automatically populated in my following section. Remember, for admins, we will not automatically populate everyone in your organization because admins have access to everybody's profile. So in order to keep the noise down, we wanted to ensure that only the users who that admin user has directly reporting to them automatically populate here. And again, if you need to add other users in your organization, hot tip, just go ahead and click that following icon and you will be able to add or remove anybody in your organization easily from this modal. Moving on to Group Manager. So you'll see here, I've pulled up my profile for Gretel. Going to Gretel's profile, she is actually an author user and she has one direct report, Molly. And if you can see here, she has access to her groups page because she is a group manager. So navigating to my groups, I can see that Gretel is the group manager of the product team and there are two members, Joe and Natalie. So what does this look like on my homepage? If I navigate to the following section of my homepage, I can see that I have Joe and Natalie automatically followed in this section because they are members of the group that I manage. And I also have Molly, who is my direct report. Moving on to our general user with direct reports. All right, so you can see here, I've pulled up Joe's profile. Let's just click into Joe. Joe is a general user. So for example, Joe's not really in the weeds on the day-to-day. We don't expect Joe to create content, but he does have one direct report. This is somebody who reports to him in real life in the organization. So Joe's one responsibility is to ensure that Tessa is going through her training content and actually consuming the content that's required for her position. So it's important that he does have the capability to follow along so that he can keep tabs on Tessa's training progress. So what does this look like when I navigate to Joe's homepage? As Joe, you can see, awesome. I have the one person who directly reports to me actually populating in my following section. And remember, only the direct reports of this user will populate here. So if Joe were to hit the plus button, he would be able to unfollow Tessa if he needs to. Additionally, because Joe is a general permission level, he doesn't have the typical access to all of the things in a profile that, say, an admin or a group manager would. So we wanted to ensure that this remained consistent in this new experience. So if I, Joe, a general user with one direct report, go to click on Tessa's name, you'll see that the profile view is actually limited to that of a general user. So Joe can't go in here and create a training path or assign subjects or manage their completions, but he still has access to just view some general information about Tessa. The main benefit of this is that I now have access to see Tessa's completion percentage so that I am now aware when I need to follow up with Tessa and ensure that she is keeping on track with her training content. So that is what the experience looks like. These are the updates. Again, the newest update is that any user, regardless of permission level, who has direct reports now has access to the following section. And our second new update is that this is all automatically populated for you. So you don't have to do any of that dirty work thinking about who you need to be following. Your direct reports will be right there, and all of your group members will also be right there when you log in. That's all I've got today. Thank you so much for watching this demo of our following section updates, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.